Received a RARENX file protected by Egis security software. This is an encrypted RAR archive secured with hardware-based encryption. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through decrypting these Egis Encrypted RAR archives. For those complex RARENX formats, there's always a Plan B, a specialized file handling utility that feels like magic. I'll introduce it again later after we attempt the common methods. RARENX files are encrypted RAR archives created by Egis security software, typically associated with HP ProtectTools or similar enterprise security platforms. They wrap a RAR archive with additional encryption tied to user credentials, biometrics, or hardware tokens, providing layered protection for sensitive archived data. RARENX files use the Egis encryption layer wrapping a standard RAR archive payload. The container stores encryption metadata, user identity bindings, and the encrypted archive data. Decryption requires the original Egis security environment, matching user credentials, and potentially the original biometric or hardware authentication used at encryption time. The preferred application for managing the RARENX file is Egis from Egis Technology Inc. The file requires external codec support that Windows does not provide natively. Windows cannot interpret scrambled file data, so specialized tools are essential to read it. We're going to use the list of installed programs to find the match. Right-click your RARENX file, then click Open With. Test Egis if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. Methodical testing works. If your RARENX file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. A specialized format like RARENX demands specialized preparation. Let's ensure we have all the correct fundamental details checked off on our list. First, decrypting with Egis software. Install the Egis security software, typically HP ProtectTools or the matching enterprise security suite. Authenticate with the user credentials, biometrics, or hardware token associated with the file. Right-click the RARENX file and select the Egis Decrypt option to produce a standard RAR archive for normal extraction. Next, verifying user authorization. Confirm you are logged in as the user who originally encrypted the RARENX file. Egis encryption is tied to specific user accounts and credentials. If you do not have access to the original user account or authentication factors, decryption is not possible without administrator recovery procedures. Finally, contacting IT support. If the RARENX file is from an enterprise environment, contact your IT department for recovery options. Some enterprise deployments include administrative recovery keys or user data recovery procedures. Provide the file and your authorization credentials to IT for proper decryption following organizational security policies. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.